Mundae is a full-service cleaning and restoration company specializing in carpet, upholstery, air duct, and area rug cleaning, as well as water damage and fire restoration. We have served the Houston area for more than 30 years. We are a family-owned and operated business, and we pride ourselves in providing the utmost service and satisfaction to all of our customers. Our technicians are highly trained, certified, and have access to all the latest equipment our industry provides. Located in downtown Houston, our team is ready to meet your immediate needs and look forward to speaking to you soon. For more information, visit our website at mundae.com or give us a call at 713-777-7700.